When operations and quality systems work in harmony, the result is a masterpiece of efficiency and excellence throughout your organization. The traditional view of quality as a separate function creates barriers that impede performance. Quality is a mindset woven into every decision. Start by mapping operational processes. Identify inputs, outputs, decision points, and critical control points for quality verification. Standardize processes through clear documentation. This makes variations visible, simplifying control and improving effectiveness. Define measurable parameters for each control point, establish performance ranges, and create visual management systems for transparency. Transform operational data into insights through real-time dashboards, statistical control methods, and trend analysis. Design your quality management system around core operational processes with embedded quality checkpoints that validate integrity. Apply risk management to assess and apply controls judiciously, focusing on high-risk processes to ensure quality outcomes. Leverage technology to create a unified quality operations ecosystem using integrated management systems and real-time monitoring. Leaders must balance operational efficiency with quality and recognize achievements in both areas to reinforce their importance. Foster collaboration between quality and operations teams through joint problem-solving and shared metrics for improved performance. Develop training programs that build quality consciousness and operational discipline among employees, emphasizing process thinking. Design audits that evaluate both operational and quality aspects to identify improvements and verify the effectiveness of changes. Regular leadership walks should examine process efficiency, control effectiveness, and employee understanding of quality integration. Address issues with corrective actions that encompass both operational and quality dimensions to prevent recurrence and improve outcomes.